Okay, this video is about the null factor law. So if we have two letters, so let's say A and B, and if A times B equals 0, then one of them has to be 0. A is 0 or B is 0. So for example, if we have P times Q equals 0, it means either P is 0 or Q is 0, and of course they could both be 0 as well. P equals 0 or Q equals 0. If we have 2 times A equals 0, obviously 2 is not going to be 0, so this means A has to be equal to 0. So that 2 times 0 can equal 0. Same here, if we have minus 4 times P equals 0, it follows that P equals 0. Here we have 2 times X times Y equals 0. Again, 2 is not equal to 0, but X or Y could equal 0. X equals 0 or Y equals 0. So where this comes in use is when we have these questions down here. So for example, if we have x plus 4 times x take 1 equals 0, it means either this part equals 0, we'll call this first bracket A equals 0, or B equals 0, because what they are essentially is just two things times one another. So this we could just rewrite as AB equals 0, means A equals 0, or B equals 0. So there's two solutions for this. It means either x plus 4 equals 0, or x take 1 equals 0. Now if x plus 4 equals 0, it follows x equals minus 4, or if x take 1 equals 0, it follows x equals positive 1. And we did that just by doing simple algebra. Okay, so for example, in this equation, I added 1 to both sides to get the unknown x by itself. Over here, I subtracted 4 from both sides to get x by itself. Okay, so if we look at our last example down here, we have A times B equals 0. It means 2x equals 0, or x take 5 equals 0. If 2x equals 0, it follows that x equals 0. Or if x take 5 equals 0, it follows x equals 5. So the two solutions to this equation we can see are 0 and 5. And what that means is if we put x is 0 into this equation, we're going to have 2 times 0 take 5, and of course that'll be 0. If we put 5 into this equation, we're going to have 2 times 5 is 10, times by 5 take 5, 5 take 5 is 0, so 10 times 0 is of course 0. So these two solutions satisfy this equation.